Hey guys, Yimmy here. Wanted to bring you a brand new video regarding how I got the new 2019 13.3 inch entry-level MacBook Pro with touch bar that retails for $12.99 for $850. Now I want to prove to you guys that this isn't clickbait, so I will be showing you the receipt right now. Alright guys, as you can see, the top, it shows the MacBook Pro 13.3 inch 1.4 gigahertz with the 8 gigs. That's originally for $12.99. With the $449 price match, I got it for the $850. So this is the deal that I was able to get at Best Buy. What I crossed out was my pickup order number, so just for security, and the store number. I don't want to get them in trouble. As you can see, I was charged separately for the Beats that Apple was doing the deal for, that you would get the free Beats for $349. They just happened to charge me for them and take the price off of the MacBook, for which I was able to return the Beats and just pay the $850 for the MacBook. So I just wanted to share with you guys that Best Buy typically is really good with price matching other stores, and I asked them about the Apple deal that $100 off for being student and you would get the free Beats, and they agreed to price match it. But because they can't do the free Beats, they were able to do they essentially gave me the Beats for free, but I had to take the price of the Beats off of the MacBook, and then that's the way they were able to kind of do the price match. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. This is for the newest entry-level touch bar MacBook Pro that was just refreshed or updated last week. If you guys have any questions, concerns, I just wanted to let you guys know that it was possible. It was for what I paid for it. It's a great deal. I don't think there'll ever be a sale for the great deal that I got. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know what you guys think. I will be coming out with, please like and subscribe. I will also be coming out with some just benchmarks, just video editing, testing Fortnite, just to see what it can run on the new Intel Iris 645, and just other tests in the future. So yeah, go ahead, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Thank you.